Hey, how's it going, guys? So, here's another unboxing of a fun toy. This one here is a Harry Potter Golden Snitch. Snitch. So, for those who haven't seen this movie, which is probably barely known, the Snitch is part of a game that they play, kind of like their own football game. I guess it's kind of closer to soccer, I believe, kind of. But it's just this little snitch thing, and it just flies all over the place. And the goal is that one person from the team of, I think, 12 would have to just try to catch the snitch. And if you catch the snitch, you win the whole game. But besides that, the other 12, 11 people or so, well, I think it's 5. 5, and then Harry Potter's number 6. But anyway, so the other 5 people, they would just try to make goals in this little ring of throwing this ball. It's kind of hard to describe, but the whole point is this thing is supposed to be really hard to catch, and I think Harry Potter was one of the first to ever catch one of these golden snitch. So as you can see, I already opened it and played with it just because, you know, this thing is pretty darn cool and I couldn't wait to play with it. But, so it's from World Tech Toys. Here it is, 2018, age 6 and up. Here's the instructions, which is pretty simple. You basically just turn it on, move your hand closer, and there's kind of like this, I believe, like an IR sensor, so it senses whenever something's really close to it, then it'll just kind of spin the blades a lot faster, and it'll just start going up. To turn it off, quickly and carefully grab the snitch and flip the power switch to off. So overall, you can't really catch it from the bottom. You just have to kind of reach in and grab it. But you have to really grab it, because if you tilt it to the side a little bit, the snitch helicopter would just start spinning sideways and it'll hit a wall or stuff like that. As I was playing with it did hit a lot of this stuff because, you know, my kids were kind of rough with this toy, and surprisingly, this toy been holding up very, very well. So in the box, you get the Snitch with the propellers all attached. You also get the power cable, and I made sure to kind of power it. You know, I'm sure the battery was already decently full, but I just powered it. I just plugged into like an old iPhone little battery brick, nothing too strong. I didn't want to overload the small battery that's probably inside the Snitch. And it comes with extra blades. Hope I didn't lose it. It came with 2 blades. I only see one at the moment, so I'm hoping... Oh, okay, the other one's in the box. Good. So these blades are kind of delicate. I mean, it's hard plastic. I bashed into the TV a couple times and onto the floor and onto the walls. And you do see just a little bit of plastic flecks in it. And some of the blades is mainly right here towards the tang of it. But so far it's been holding up. So, I mean, you don't have to play too delicate. But of course I wouldn't like hit it with a racket or anything. But, you know, if you accidentally knock it off its axis and it flies into the wall, it should be okay. Because as you can see, the blades, they collapse onto themselves pretty easily. I could try it on camera. Let's see. Let's just move my camera this way here. Okay. And see, here's a IR port. Oops, here we go. Sorry, guys. IR port, on and off switch. The power port. And I'm sorry, here's where the power is, the IR. This one, I'm not sure. Maybe it's 2. So maybe this one shoots a beam and this one reads it. I'm not sure. Just I'm guessing from here. Other than that, okay, so you just turn it on. It waits like 2 seconds. Like that. And then you kind of let go and it floats up. Ooh, sorry. As you can see, it goes up pretty good. And, you know, if you knock it off its axis, it'll fly directly into the wall. And as you see, it does put out a lot of wind, which is cool. But other than that, look at that. You know, it can wobble, and it kind of keeps itself kind of leveled no matter what. But overall, off. This is a very, very fun toy, and for those Harry Potter fans, this is an awesome toy. My kids love it. Of course, they were playing indoors, so this is better to be played outdoors, of course. So there's less obstacles for it to hit. See here, you can see the little fin here got a little snapped. I might try to tape it to get more support. I'm not sure. It might kind of knock the balancing off a little bit. I'm not sure, but I don't want to have to go buy more of these fins because this toy is actually really fun. So, but as you can see, it's light plastic. It's not, you know, I wouldn't say it's cheap quality, but it has to be light for this to work well. The finish is okay. It has a little pearl and iridescent-ish type. And these are real thin plastic, but you know, it's pretty sturdy. But overall, this is a quality product. I'm really enjoying it. And you know, for the Harry Potter fans, it's a must get. And as you can see, the best part is this is rechargeable. I think I mentioned that already. And you know, that's the best part, is you don't have to worry about batteries. Other than that, it was a simple unboxing, and I hope you enjoy this. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I actually bought another thing from this company because they have so many cool toys. So in the next video, I'll open the other one, okay? So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. If you don't understand anything, just leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible, alright? I'll leave it there.